Are you ready to see one of the most desirable high-rises here in Calgary? Let's take a look. Here's some of the reasons why you should buy this unit. You have a pet park to my left, perfect for those furry friends. To my right, you have a beautiful outdoor entertaining area with barbecues and lounge chairs for your friends and family. To my left, you got a beautiful swimming pool and hot tub. To my right, coming up, you have 2 separate party rooms, perfect for hosting those big family gatherings that you might not be able to fit in your unit. You also have a full gym, 4 study rooms, as well as an underground wash bay. Could you ask for more? Do you want the keys to your new unit? If you want more information on your new home, my information's below. Give me a call. Or if you just want to see crazy property tours, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.